Good morning, students. Today I have explained chapter number 2, head and body section, remaining part 2, standard 10, subject computer studies, and chapter number 2. Your second topic is a body section. First, what is a body section? The body section of an HTML document is written between body and slash body tag. The HTML body element acts as a container of the item which have to be displayed within a browser. That is a body section. Various attributes of body tag. First is a background attributes. By default, HTML coding presents the content on simple white background. Background attribute of body tag is used to present the content on attractive and colorful background. The name of image file is required as a value of background attributes. The valid file format are JPG, BMP, PNG, TIFF, and etc. Note: first number, when an image file is used in HTML coding, please make sure that the particular image file and file extension are specified correctly. In case there is a mistake in specifying the file name, nothing will be visible in the background of the image. Second, the background image must be sober and adding and appeal to the content. Third number, if the background image is too big, it will take lot of time to load the page in a browser. If the image is smaller in size than the screen size, the image may be replicated until it fills the entire screens. Fourth number, generally the background image scrolls when the user scroll down the page, and this can be fixed by setting fixed value of BG properties. That is the example of body background equals to rainbow.jpg and BG properties equals to fix. That is a background picture is rainbow and BG properties equals to fix. That means no scrolling the image. That is the example of body background color. Body background equals to rainbow.jpg and the next output is a background rainbow.jpg and busy property equals to fix. That means the background file is rainbow and then busy property is equals to fix. That means no scrolling. And then next BG color attributes. BG color attributes of body tag defines background color. Example, body BG color equals to hash sign 4 times f and 2 times 0. Here the example is hexadecimal value of busy color attributes will display yellow color background. In a electronic media such as television and computer screens, any color is considered as a combination of three basic colors, namely red, green, and blue. They are acronym as RGB, red, green, and blue. Color in computer are coded as a degree from 00 to FF. In hexadecimal and 6-digit code is required to represent a color. For example, hash sign 2 times f and 4 times 0 is the hexadecimal code. The hash sign symbol head of the code lets the browser know that the following set of character is color code. The first pair of number represent various shades of red color. The second pair of number represent various shade of green color, and the last pair of numbers respective various shade of a blue color. That means 2 plus 2 plus 2. That means 6 digit is a RGB color. And here in the above example, the red color is assigned value FF, that means hexa decimal value 255. Green is assigned a value 00 and blue is assigned a value 00, meaning the code has sign 2 times f and 4 times 0 will represent the red color. All these three sets of digits have ranged from 00 to FF. That means that is from 0 to up to 255, making a total 256 values. The combination of red, green, and blue values from 0 to 255 gives more than 16 million different colors. That means 256 into 256 into 256. By mentioning color strings in hexadecimal formats, and one can specify various colors. Following table represent a example of various colors. First is a 6 times f, that means white color. Second, 2 times f and 4 times 0, that means red color. 4 times f and 2 times 0, that means a yellow color. And 6 times 0, that means a black color. 2 times f, 2 times 0 and 2 times f, that means pink or magenta color. 4 times 0 and 2 times f, that means a blue color. And 2 times 0, 2 times f and 2 times 0, that means a green color. That is a busy color of a hexadecimal code. And then next example of body busy color. We have also apply a background color. Body busy color was 2 has sign 2 times f, 2 times 0 and 2 times f. That means pink color. And that is a output of body busy color. Body busy color is a pink color. Next is a text attributes. Text attribute of body tag define text color. Example, body busy color equals to hash sign 4 times f and 2 times 0. Text equals to 2 times f, 2 times 0 and 2 times f. We'll set the background color as a pink and text color is a yellow. Next is a v-link and a-link attributes used for a link color. That means v-link, it means visited link, and a-link, it means active link. We already learned about creating a hyperlink. When you click on hypertext, it takes you to the another page or resource. As you have visited the link, it is identified by the web page as a visited link, and such a link is identified as vlink, while the link that is being visited is called an active link. Active links is identified as a link. The vlink attribute of body tag is used to set the color of the visited link, and a link attribute of body tag is used to set the color of the active link. That means example, body link equals to 2 times 0, 2 times app, and 2 times 0. That means vertical link color, link color is, that means visited link color is uh, green color, and then body a link equals to 2 times f and 4 times 0, that means a red color. Next topic, new topic, hr. hr, that means horizontal row, elements and its attributes. The hr element display horizontal line across the page. It is an empty element, that is a single tag, not a pair tag. Pair tag, that means starting and ending tag, that is a pair tag, and the hr tag is a empty tag because no ending tag. It is used to separate content by breaking it into sections, and there are 5 attributes which can be used with hr elements. First is the size, second color, third width, fourth align, and fifth no sets. Yes, one by one I will display. First is size. This attribute defines thickness of the line. One can use pixel size 3, 5, or even 10. That is a size of hr. Second is a color, hr color, and this tag is attribute defines line color for the browsers such as Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. The line color must be defined in hexadecimal code. That means a 6 digits. Next is a width. This attribute defines the length of the line. The length can also be defined as in percentage of the width of the browser window, and the default value of the width is 100%. You also change the width size for HR, HR50, HR60, HR70 as per your requirement. And then fourth is align. This attribute define alignment of line in right side, left side, or center. This is a HR align attributes. And last is a no shade. That means the attribute displays a solid plain line instead of a shade line. That means you have no display shade. You have also use of these attributes no shades. Yes, this is a example of HR tag. HR, this line HR, that means 2 lines, and then is broken, and HR and 3 parts. That means the output is first line HR, and then second your text this line, and 2 times HR, that means 2 lines HR, and then is broken in text, and then 1 time HR, that is a horizontal row, and then 3 parts. That means a HR elements, that is a example of HR. HR, that means horizontal row. Yes, next topic is a logical style text. Logical style text, that means already learn about physical style text which format the text. There is another way to format text instead of physically mentioning the formatting instructions in browser. The user just have to tell the browser what he or she want. The tag that manage such formatting are known as a logical style tags. Various logical style tags are example is one by one display. First is a em and slash em. That means this tag pair tag display the content is emphasized manner. Important things such as a must be done and important can be displayed using these tags. That is the example of em. Things to do in February and slash em. That means must be done and then must be important tag. Tags is a use of em. Second is a strong and slash strong. This tag pair display the content in much emphasize this manner. This example strong things to do in February and slash strong. Next is a DFN, that means definition. This tag is pair publish the text content in defined fashion. Fourth, cite and slash cite. This tag pair is used for citing important tags such as a title of books, films, and then etc. That is used to cite tags. And the fifth is a code and slash code. This tag pair demonstrate computer programming code segments, and the text is displayed in a fixed width font. That is a code and slash code text. And next is a font tag and its attributes. The font tag along with the various attributes is used to set a specific font and size. First is the size, second color, and third is the face. What is the size? The size attribute specifies the size of the content. Second, color, the attribute specifies the color of the content. Third, face, this attribute specifies the type of the font. And that example, paragraph, font face equals to Vedrena, size equals to 2, and color equals to green. And then text is this is some text and slash font over and slash p over. That means output is a font Vedrena, size equals to 2 size, and color equals to green. That is a example of font text. P font color equals to red, color equals to blue, color equals to green, and the base font face equals to Arial and size equals to screen. That means the font all the text font face equals to Arial, size equals to 16. That means a common, and the change only for the color red. First text is a red color, second is a blue, and third is a green. The output is a first font face equals to all font face equals to Arial, and for all size equals to 16. Only for change the color, first line is red, second is a blue, and third is a green. That is a font text and attributes of example. Thus the last topic is a special characters. HTML language use special code or text to represent special character such as less than, greater than, %, copyright sign, and then etc. The tag start with % symbol followed by some meaningful text and with semicolon. ASCII value can also be used to represent the symbol, and the ASCII code start with % symbol followed by # symbol and numeric number and with a semicolon. That is an example of special characters. PLN equals to center and personality, that means less than symbol, and the basic information, and then and %GT, that means a greater the symbol. That means the content is a basic information, and left side is a LT, that means less than symbol, and right side is a greater than symbol. That is a use of a special characters. This topic is over, and then lesson is also over. So write down 50 MCQ in notebook. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.